Types of network. In this video, we are going to see about types of networks. Peer-to-peer network. Peer-to-peer networks are more commonly implemented where less than 10 computers are involved and where strict security is not necessary. All computers have the same status, hence the term peer, and they communicate with each other on an equal footing. Files such as word processing or spreadsheet documents can be shared across the network, and all the computers on the network can share devices such as printers or scanners which are connected to any one computer. Client-server network. Client-server networks are more suitable for larger networks. A central computer or server acts as the storage location for files and applications shared on the network. The server also controls the network access of the other computers, which are referred to as the client computers. Typically, teachers and students in a school will use the client computers for their work, and only the network administrator, usually a designated staff member, will have access rights to the server. Intranet. Intranet, extranet, and the Internet are all networks of network. Intra means internal or within plus network. The major difference between the three classes of network is the aspect of network traffic control, that is, who are the participants in the network. Intranets are owned by individual organizations, that is, intra-enterprise systems. Some organizations operate their own network and some outsource that function to network operations groups, example, EDS, AT&T Data Solutions, etc. A key characteristic of intranet implementation is that protected applications are not visible to the Internet at large. Intranet access control relies heavily on the physical access point to the corporate LAN. Secure intranets are separated from the Internet by means of a firewall system. Inbound Internet traffic is not allowed into the corporate security perimeter except for email. Outbound network traffic destined to the Internet from the intranet is not usually filtered. Some corporations constrain outbound traffic to allow only web-based protocols, example, HTTP, FTP, and IIOP. Some of the difference between an intranet and Internet are the quality of service QoS or lack of service level agreements SLAs, which describes availability, bandwidth, latency, and response time. Most Internet service providers, ISPs, and networking device vendors are developing an Internet level of service capability.